Hello everyone, my name is Noga and I'm going to do you tutorial about rock, scissors, paper game. So you see that the program is already written, but don't worry, I'm going to explain every line in this code. So, and after that, of course, to show you how it works. So let's start. First of all, the input, okay? What it does, you see, it's going to ask me what is your name, and it's going to give me to click on an answer, and then it's going to save what I want in the variable name. Okay, I will show you here. Now I'm writing my name is Noga, so writing it, and you see it's save it in the variable name. After that, when I did welcome to the game plus name, so it's instead of the name wrote me Noga, because it's save what I want here. Here I will show you with another name, for example, Noah. Wait a second, sorry. Here Noah. Here you see welcome to the game Noah. So it's the input. Now in input you can use in many ways, not just for names. You can write your question or something, and then it's going to save it in this variable. So let's continue the points. The points, I don't think that I need to explain, it's obvious. Player, there is 0 points, it's variable, the player it's variable, and also it, you see, variable, even, wait a second, you see it's variable in int, you see, you write int, because int is the kind of the variable. There is string, this is string, there is int. It's int, it's number usually. So now the tools, it's a list. From the now I explain what it's a list. List, it's list that it's list, like its name. This variable of the list, you can access to every string or int that you wrote in the list. Okay, so I'm going to show you how. For example, now in the list, the places is not going like in a school 1, 2, and 3. It's not going like it. It's going. It starts from 0. Okay, so the first string or int, the first string or int is 0. The second is 1, and the 3 it's 2. I will show what that means. Now I'm going to print, for example, tools. If you want to print one of them or use in one of them, so you need to write this, then bracket, and then the number of the string that you want. For example, its number is 0 because it starts from 0. So if I want to print rock, so I need to write the name of the list, bracket, and then the place of rock. The place of them is 0 because it's the first number. Okay, so I'm writing like it, and look what it does for me. Wait a second. Here you see it's print rocks. If I want to print paper, so I can switch it in 1, or if I want to scissors to print scissors, so I can write here 2, and then it's going to print me scissors. Okay, so I will show you. Sorry, wait a second. You see it's print me paper, and now I will show you 0. I will show you scissors. Wait a second. Here, see scissors. Because it's number 2, it's not number 3 because it starts from 0, then 1, then 2. Okay? Now let's go to the loop. While loop. Okay. Now why I want to loop true? Okay? Because while loop is while true, so the loop it's endless. If I am going it just while true, because true it means that the loop she will keep going and keep going and keep going. If I want to stop it, I need to do that the loop is equal false, and that's why here you see if the points, remember it's our points, right? Here points equal bigger or equal to 3, or the points of the player bigger or equal than 3, so loop it's equal false, because then it means that the loop stops, and it's also print our points. I wrote here string because I need that it's the player and the computer, it's int, it's from kind int. In order to print the points, I need to change it to string. That's why I add this. It's changed those, the player and the computer, to string, the points. Okay? And now I am going to go to the next part. Okay. The input, you know what is. It's now it's variable. It saves what I'm choosing, rock, scissors, or paper. I need it because after that I'm going to compare it to the choice of the computer. Now what it does, it's the range. This, you see, I imported package.callRandom, and what it does is, wait a second, what it does, because I wanted 2 and I didn't want a number before, for example 1, so it's automatically start from 0. Okay, it's automatically start from 0. What it means that I wrote that the computer choose, you see it's function random, so the computer choose a random number. In range is the range, rand, and you see range, it's the range because I didn't write any number before or steps, so it means that so it's a number that equal between 0 to 2. If I would write here 100, so it means that it's between 0 to 100, the number. Okay, it's like the range. Okay, you can, it's the range of the numbers. Now why I wrote here 2, because look, that is the computer choice. You see, computer S, computer choice. Now I went to tools, and instead of writing 1 or 2, I wanted that the computer choose randomly what you choose, rock, paper, or scissors. So what I did, I went to tools, got access, and then I told them choose a random string from this list between 0. You remember that I show you that the limit is between 0 to 2, between 0 to 2. Right? Now why I wrote here 2? Because as you can see, and as I told you, it's 0, 1, 2. The number of this list is 2, and it starts from 0, so I don't need to write here before a number or steps, because it's 0, 1, 2, so the first number is 0. I don't need to write anything before, and the limit is 2 because scissors is number 2. So I wrote it like it. Tools, this list, place, random place between 0 to 2. If I would write here 3, it could give me an error message because I don't have another string after the scissors. I have just I don't have third string. I have 0 string, the first string, and the second string. I don't have another string. It's why I don't have 3 places in this list. You mean I have 2 because it starts from 0, so I can write here 3. The limit is not 3, it's 2. Okay, now I compare. Okay, I did this organized according to rock, paper, and scissors. I compare them, rock to the computer choice, and after that it's the score. I did this, so equal to, here it's equal to this. It's a shortcut, you see, it's like to write like this. So I hope that you study from the tutorial. I will see you next time. Now I just wanted to show you. Here it's a tie, you see, It means that the computer